Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
New York Times Business.
July 7, 11:23 America, New York. How Wish built and fumbled a dollar store for the internet. The number of users has plummeted, and its stock price has dropped. Former employees point to an emphasis on short-term growth over customer service.
BBC News Business.
July 7, 11:21 America, New York. HSBC banker quits after nut job climate speech. Stuart Kirk says his position became unsustainable after he was suspended by the bank in May.
Global economy. July 7, 11:15 America, New York. Mission accomplished? Stretching to read the market's tea leaves for good news. Global economy.
July 7, 10:48 America, New York. Soaring inflation sparked ECB calls for more aggressive rate rises, minutes show. Policymakers voiced fears at June meeting that inflation expectations could become unanchored without strong action.
Daily FX market news.
July 7, 10:34 America, New York. US dollar price action setups. EUR, USD, GBP, USD, USD, CAD, USD, JPY. The dollar has continued to jump through the first week of Q3 trade, and tomorrow brings the first non-farm payrolls report for the quarter. Buckle up.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
July 7, 10:05 America, New York. Boris Johnson's meltdown may end sterling's. The resignation of the British Prime Minister could help clear much of the political uncertainty that has held down the pound, and possibly lead to slightly higher interest rates.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
July 7, 10 o'clock America, New York. U.S. small business program's future is clouded by congressional fight. The programs used by the Pentagon and others face an overhaul or elimination amid allegations they are being abused by recipients in China.
Daily FX market news.
July 7, 9:45 America, New York. DAX, Dow and FTSE march higher as constructive risk sentiment prevails. Indices in the green as a gloomy market backdrop shows improvement.
New York Times Business.
July 7, 9:41 America, New York. Behind the fight between Ben & Jerry's and its owner, Unilever. The ice cream maker is suing its corporate parent in an effort to stop sales in Israeli-occupied territories, thanks to an unusual deal that gives the founders control of the brand.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
July 7, 9:10 America, New York. U.S. trade gap narrowed in May as imports of goods slowed. A decrease in spending on goods by American households held down import growth, while exports of energy products increased in May.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
July 7, 9:10 America, New York. Rajiv Misra to step back from top executive role at SoftBank. Misra, who runs SoftBank's giant venture investing arm, plans to run a new outside investment outfit, according to a company memo.
New York Times Business.
July 7, 8:49 America, New York. Pound rises after British Prime Minister, Boris Johnson, resigns. Markets in Britain rose slightly after Boris Johnson said he would step down, but global economic factors have been more important to investors. Britain's economic outlook is grim, presenting a major challenge for the country's next leader.
Armstrong Economics.
July 7, 8:42 America, New York. Breaking news, Boris Johnson resigns. Boris Johnson is stepping down as Prime Minister this Thursday. Johnson's countless scandals and failed administrative policies have finally caught up with him.
BBC News Business. July 7, 8:08 America, New York. UK government debt on unsustainable path unless taxes hiked, says OBR. Soaring energy prices and an aging population risk putting more pressure on the economy, a report warns.
BBC News Business. July 7, 8:08 America, New York. UK government debt on unsustainable path unless taxes hiked, says OBR. Soaring energy prices and an aging population risk putting more pressure on the economy, a report warns.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
July 7, 8 o'clock America, New York. Get a bigger tax deduction for the miles you drive for work. The IRS raised the standard mileage rate for the self-employed to 62.5 cents on July 1, but it is possible to get an even better break.
Wall Street Journal Markets. July 7, 8 o'clock America, New York. Crypto tumult highlights lack of investor protections. Cryptocurrency investors are learning that there is no government safety net to protect them when their funds seemingly disappear with a trading and lending platform that has failed.
Daily FX market news.
July 7. 8 o'clock America New York, breaking. Boris Johnson resigns as Prime Minister, what next? Boris Johnson announces resignation, UK assets remain focused on bigger macro picture.
BBC News Business. July 7. 7:25 America New York, pound rises ahead of expected Johnson resignation. Sterling climbs against the dollar as Boris Johnson is set to resign as Conservative Party leader.
BBC News. Business.
July 7, 7:25 America New York, pound rises ahead of expected Johnson resignation. Sterling climbs against the dollar as Boris Johnson is set to resign as Conservative Party leader.
BBC News. Business. July 7, 7:12 America New York, Drax coal-fired power plants to stay open over Russia gas supply fears. Energy Secretary Kwasi Kwarteng says retaining Drax's coal-fired units is a sensible precaution. Digital finance.
July 7, 6:06 America New York, crypto as we know it is dead, BlockFin is just beginning. The disarray in crypto markets does not mean traditional finance can now ignore blockchain. Change is afoot. The post-crypto as we know it is dead, BlockFin is just beginning appeared first on digital finance.
Global economy.
July 7, 6:04 America New York, Ukraine's reconstruction plans are appropriately ambitious. The EU must be a key player in coordinating funds and monitoring their use.